Take the guesswork out of funding. Research-backed online lender comparison. In the last few years, a number of online lenders have emerged. They are often excellent choices for convenience, decision and funding speed, industries which can't get funding elsewhere, and business owners with less than stellar personal credit. But which are best for your personal circumstances? Let's look at the best online lenders for convenient payments. Check out Fundbox. Fundbox offers fast, automated application processes. You make weekly automatic repayment if there's enough funds in the connected account. $100 to $100,000 is available. Their requirements are no revenue, credit score, or time and business requirements. You must use compatible accounting or invoicing software for at least 3 months, or have had a compatible business bank account for at least 6 months. You must have an established business with regular monthly revenue. Find them online at https://fundbox.com. Now let's check out the best online lenders for peer-to-peer financing with Lending Club. This lender offers access to a client advisor. These are mainly offers of fixed-term small business loans with $5,000 to $300,000 available. Their requirements are 12 or more months in business, $50,000 or more in annual sales, no bankruptcies or tax liens, at least 20% ownership of the business, fair personal credit score or better, and you must be at least 18 years of age. You also have to be either a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, or living in the U.S. on a valid long-term visa. You will need a valid bank account and email address and operate primarily in the United States. Find them online at www.lendingclub.com. And finally, let's look at the best online lenders for working capital financing with Fundation. This lender provides business term loans and lines of credit. $20,000 to $500,000 is available. Their requirements are 12 or more months in business, $100,000 or more in revenue per year, 600 or better personal credit score, and you must have 3 or more full-time employees, including the applicant. And you cannot live or operate businesses in North Dakota, South Dakota, or Nevada. Find them online at https://fundation.com. Let's recap. Online lenders offer a myriad of benefits. Choose what works best for you. Speed, low FICO scores, short time in business, or low annual revenues welcome. High amounts on offer, early prepayment discounts, multiple financing options, convenient ways to pay, peer-to-peer lending, or working capital financing. Contact us today to learn more about taking the guesswork out of funding with our research-backed online lender comparison.